All right, we've been doing the volume of a cylinder. This is my third take, that's why I'm laughing. We've been doing the volume of a cylinder, and I'm gonna actually go through that process here, and hopefully we can make some connections between grams, milliliters, and cubic centimeters. So here we go. This is my cylinder. You'll notice it's sugar-free, fruit splash, and delicious. 375 mil. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to find the area of this circle here. And to do that, I'm going to use the formula pi r squared. And what I need is to measure this radius on this circle. So I'm going to go right to the edge, and it is about, I'm going to go 3 1/10 of a centimetre. So the radius equals 3.1 or 3 1/10. I also need the height of this cylinder. So you can see here, I'm using not the world's most accurate ruler, but it is the one that I could find. It's about 13 centimetres. So the height is 13 centimetres. Okay. Now, if you haven't got this this is a terrific one. It's a calculator, but you can write things down in it. So pi r squared is the formula, which means pi times the radius squared. So pi times 3.1 squared. So here we go. Pi times 3.1 squared. And you just have to check that it's actually put it in properly. And there's our answer. So the area of the surface of the can here, this face, this 2D shape, is 30 square centimetres, or 30 and almost 0.2 square centimetres. Now I'm going to multiply this by the height. So firstly, 30, and I'm just going to round it to 1 decimal place, so 2/10. Now, clear that, and if you do end up getting my script calculator, you've got to clear the previous one, otherwise it adds it all into the same equation. So 30.2 times 13. And it's done 302, so you've got to be really careful. 30.2, no, can I put a decimal point in there? No, 30.2, please work this time, great, times 13. And is 392. Now what it's telling us is that this is 392 6/10 cubic centimetres, which is roughly the same as 375 mil. And what that tells us is that the work we've done is pretty accurate. So we know that every milliliter of water, now this isn't water, so the weight would be slightly different. Every milliliter of water weighs 1 gram. And is 1 cubic centimetre in size. And to prove it even further, I'm going to weigh it. And what I'm thinking is it's going to be about 375. Obviously, it'll be a bit heavier because of the weight of the can. So we can see there that it's 390. So what that tells us is that our measurements were really accurate, and that formula that we used to find the volume of the can was really accurate, because I ended up with 392. So we're going to take that as a terrific bit of work, and there's probably a little bit of air in here as well, a bit of space, so that's why they wouldn't match up exactly. And the can isn't a perfect cylinder; it's got these kind of edges that are worked in a little bit. So proof that it works. I totally think you should try that. Try it with a tin of baked beans or something. That I've already done the can, so try something different. But anything where it's got the mass or it's got the milliliters in it, yeah, that'll be great. Good luck.